Hey guys, welcome back. So I got a video for y'all today about this collection from Too Faced with the Natural Lust palette. Holy moly, look how gorgeous this is. I am obsessed with this packaging. It is stinking gorgeous. And then the bronzer, this is the Natural Lust bronzer. This is amazing as well. That packaging just sucks me in. It is beautiful. And then I played with one of the glosses from the collection as well. This is, I think, in Raisin the Roof. So this is the look that I did. So this is gonna be kind of like a get ready with me tutorial type of a video using these products, and then I will show you some swatches on the palette at the end. And yeah, just give you a little look into this collection. You guys requested this video, so I've got it for you today. So if you wanna see how I got this look and see a little look into this collection, let's get to it. Okay, so I've already applied some eyeshadow primer, so I'm gonna set that with some of Silk Robe with just a Moda crease brush. So just setting that primer. Okay, now I'm going to take a little combination of this one and this one right here. Just get those on a crease brush. This is a Cozette S175. And I'm just going to apply this and build this up in my crease and transition area. Okay, and then I'm going to take some of Come and Get It on another crease brush. This is a Cozette D220. And just gonna apply this kind of in my outer corner and then softly bring it into my crease, but kind of keeping it in the outer corner. Okay, now I'm gonna take some of Peep Show on a Chique eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to apply this dry with no setting spray just because I want a little bit of it on there, but not as intense. So just taking that and applying some of that all over my lid and kind of blending it into my outer corner. Oh, I really like that. It's like a soft, diffused taupey color. Ooh, that's pretty. You know, I'm tempted to use another shadow. That's what I was planning on doing, is using another shadow wet on top of it, but I really like that diffused and soft like that. So I'm gonna leave that like it is, and then I'm going to do like a really bright pop on the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, so for some liner, I am just going to smudge some of Max Smolder Eye Kohl onto my upper lash line with just a tiny little bit of a wing, but keep it as close to my lash line as possible. So I'll be right back. And for mascara, I'm going to use a little combo of the It Cosmetics Superhero and the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I have totally changed my opinion about this mascara. It had been a really long time since I'd actually used it, and I really, really like it. I had remembered it really smudging badly up on my upper lid, and it does smudge on me, but not any more than the Superhero. And I really, really, really like the volume that it gives. So I just top both of these with some CoverGirl Lash Blast mascara because that kind of helps to seal it in a little bit. So anyway, I have totally changed my opinion. So I'm going to apply these and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and applied some concealer and powder. So I want to finish up my eyes. So I'm going to take some of Love Spark on a pencil brush and just put some of this on the inner corners of my eyes just for a little brightness and a little pop. And for my lower lash line, I'm going to get some of Too Good on kind of a flat sort of a brush. Tap that off and then just run this along my lower lash line because I want to keep my lower lash line just really light and bright, so that'll kind of like help brighten it even more. Now I'm going to apply some CoverGirl Clump Crusher to my lower lashes and also kind of seal that upper lash mascara. So I'm going to apply that and I'll be right back. Okay, so now moving on to this beautiful bronzer. Oh my goodness, the packaging on this whole collection is just stunning. I mean, that it looks like worn old metal. Oh, I just love it. I think it's so beautiful. And then the like peacock and rose design. It's just stunning packaging. Okay, so I'm gonna get some of the bronzer, just the actual bronzer part first on a BH Cosmetics number 15 brush. Just going to apply some of this into the hollows of my cheekbones and blend this. This smells yummy, smells kind of coconutty. It blends so well. It's kind kind of a rosy bronzer, which I love. So pretty, but almost, it's like rosy, but has a little bit of warmth to it, but not a lot. It's not orangey. It's kind of rosy, peachy slightly. So it's one of those blushy, bronzery kind of products. Oof, it is beautiful. I'm also gonna put some of this up on my forehead and a little bit on my neck as well. Now that I've got that shape there, I'm going to go across the whole bronzer and kind of concentrate more here, but just swirling across the whole thing, and put this up onto my cheekbones. Cheekbones, cheeks, kind of using it as a blush and a highlighter, just kind of diffusing that. This ends up being this really soft, glowy, youthful looking bronzer. It's so pretty. The combination just has this glow to it. That's what makes it so stunning. And then now for lips, I'm going to use this combo right here. For liner, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Plumberry lip pencil, and then I'm going to top it with this gloss. It's so pretty. This is the High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in Raisin the Roof. Raisin the Roof. So I'm going to apply this little combo. And as you saw, I did go ahead and kind of fill in my lips with this liner. This is actually pretty close to my natural lip color, so I didn't have to do a ton of filling in, but just kind of to give my lips more color. Okay, so now for this gloss. Beautiful. These smell delicious. They're kind of vanilla, but a little bit perfumey too, but I really like it. It's a combo done well, I think. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. I really, really like this kind of soft taupey eye, and then with the sparkly lip. I think it is so fun. So I wanted to show you some quick swatches of the palette. I think this is a lot of fun. You can really go very light for daytime, or you can kick it up with those darker shades or add in little pops of color. I think it's a fun palette and really, really nice quality, and I love the packaging. The bronzer is amazing. It is so glowy and blendable and just beautiful. So I love the bronzer, and then the glosses are gorgeous if you like a sparkly gloss. So yeah, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. Please do a thumbs up if it was. Let me know down below what you think about this collection. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video.